Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys what I got for my Ipsy Glam Bag X this month that was curated by Khloe Kardashian. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. This is my first Ipsy Glam Bag boxes, so this is gonna be super cool. Oh, this is what it looks like when it comes.
Oh my god!
Okay, so since this fell out, okay, so, oh, this is cute. So it comes with a newspaper, and it has Glam Bag X, May 2021, curated by Khloe Kardashian, and then it has, okay, I hope you guys can see this. Let me see. This is the inside. It's showing a description of all the items that were available this month, I believe. So the first thing that I got this month was the Ipsy makeup case. I got it so that I can put my brushes inside of it. I needed another. Oh, and the Ipsy bag was valued at $18. Okay, so next I have this professional inspired Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment in number 0. It primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. So this is what this is looking like. Oh, this is a part of a system. So I don't think I would want to try it out by itself. I think I would want to get the other steps in order to be able to get the best use out of it, I think. Yeah, that smell not it. I don't like how it smells. I'll try it. Okay, so the next thing I have is an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, and this is going to be in dark brown. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know how to really use these. Let's just see. Okay, I can see. I'm not really used to brow pens. I just use a crayon and a spoolie, but okay, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen is valued at $22. Okay, so next I have the this is the C.E.O Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil by Sunday Riley. That is so cool. It has a real earthy smell. I want to try it. Okay, hold on, let's read the direction. Massage as needed into face and neck. Okay, I'm gonna do one right here. The Sunday Riley C.E.O Glow Face Turmeric Face Oil. This is valued at $40. I like this. I'm not even hyping this up. This right here. It doesn't have a greasy feel or anything. It just feels really nice. It feels really nice on the face. And this is the 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold Radiance Booster Illuminator or Robe. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's open it up. It's fancy pack. And this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Y'all, I promise, like, it says $135.
What? Put the cameras. Dead ass.
I want to see why it costs $135. That's what I want to know. This is what it looks like. I mean, it feels kind of pricey, but this is what it looks like. This is the $135 face oil, I believe. Oh, it smells kind of nice. Oh, it smells really soft. Like, it smells amazing. This smells amazing. It says, I'm trying to read the instructions, but it's on this reflective. I already put the C.E.O face oil on, so I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand. It feels nice. Comparing the 111 skin to the C.E.O Glow Oil, yeah, this is way better. This right here feels way better than this, because this feels sticky. I'm not even gonna hold y'all with this because I'm just as baffled. I don't know. Like, I don't know. It feels sticky. That's all I can say. It feels sticky. Okay, so the next thing we have is MAC Love Me lipstick in Bated Breath, and this is valued at $21. This is a really pretty color. I like this. So next thing I have is this Rodeo Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. It says this luxurious cleansing balm removes makeup and dirt from the face while visibly transforming the appearance of skin. I'm guessing this is something similar to this because I use the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm to take my makeup off, right? So I always use this, but I wonder if this is the same. I'm about to try this out. It has that rose smell, like it has a real rosy type smell to it, but I don't know. The Rodeo Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm is valued at $59. I have to really figure this out because I want to try this out. This seems like it might be good. Okay, so now I have the One Size Beauty Patrick Star Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, and this is what it looks like. I've been wanting to do a real deep blue eyeshadow look, like a smoky blue eyeshadow look. And this color right here looks very, very nice. And it has a deep brown shade. I like that. It's more like neutral, so like this is like an everyday palette. I like this for an everyday palette. Like, this is nice. And this is valued at $42. And then the last thing I got was, I don't know how much I paid for this because if this was an add-on, I added this to my bag. I don't know how much I paid. I think maybe $3. And this is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer eyeshadow base, I believe. So this is what it looks like. So that's all that I got in my May 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X box for this month, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna get another one in 3 months. I don't know, because they only ship every 3 months. So this was like a really hyped up awaited box because Khloe Kardashian was curating it. And it's a lot of expensive things in here. I mean, the only thing off bat that I believe that I would actually use is the MAC lipstick and the C.E.O glow oil and the one size Patrick Starrr eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to hit the link in the description box below and you will be able to sign up and get your own subscription. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload.